Hi guys, good morning. I was been very early today. We go very early in the hospital. My babies he need to have blood test again. Aside of mine, I was doing yesterday also blood test. I have still blood test every once a week, and today it's for my baby's blood test. Oh my god. And it's up. I gonna update you guys. Tomorrow I gonna go Hooding to take my dropper, my medicine, yeah, I need to take my medicine from Hooding, but next week I have like Wednesday, every Wednesday I need my medicine. This very special medicine. It's like, I think it's hemoglobin, something like that, for my cells plate. I was in a warmer place. No great grandma, because she missed us. I supposed to stay there a little bit, like, but I just stay like 1 hour, because then I need to go home for my 3 years old son. He is with his sister, so that's why I need to go home and taking care of him. And my babies, it's sleeping now. I go to bus station. Yes guys, and I update you. I still have my I don't know what is this, my sickness. It's the doctor said I have very strong immune system, almost killing myself there. That's why that is that, and they don't know what happened and why like that. What is the cause why I have that, but they know the medicine anyways. So I have treatment every Wednesday, but the question is, until when I will do this, when I gonna be healthy again, I don't know, we'll see. I hope I gonna be healthy again very soon. So I don't know. That's why I'm praying to God for my this situation, because without him I cannot survive, this. Yeah, it's very cold, snowing like that, very cold. Yes guys, I feel like I'm so sleepy, so I'm tired, because my babies don't sleep good at night. So it's like that when you have newborn baby, yeah. I hope you enjoy this video guys. I show you the place. This is Sweden, winter, snowing and like that, wet, you know. But okay, but for me, I'm happy here in Sweden because then especially now I have my sickness, then I can still survive because the hospital it's not like that you need money to survive. Here it's hospital is free, medicine is free, everything. So you can pay like a labor like that, maybe 300 200 like that, but then you need to wait one month like that, you know. So it's okay, guys. My boss is here, so I need to go now. I gonna say bye bye. I will, and see you soon again. Thank you for watching, guys. That is my boss.